Hello, I'm Vijaya Heather.
And I'm Fatma Arif.
And we're back with another episode of Mixtapes Between the Lines series. Today, we're going to start by talking a little bit about what we are watching. Fatma, do you want to begin the
Yeah,
conversation? Hmm.
I'm still lagging when it comes to watching or being up to date with all the stuff that's coming out on the streaming. Yeah, otherwise, and because we are reading a very special book, we will be talking about it as we go
Yes.
down the line. But recently, a few things that I did manage to wrap up. Last episode में भी मैंने बताया था I was watching that short limited series documentary on Depp versus Heard Netflix पे. I wrapped it. Nothing that I will recommend people to watch. ना भी देखें तो खैर है. उसका basically crux ये था. It was focused more on. They tried to focus on the social media hype that built up around it. एक तो उन्होंने experts का input लिया, लेकिन वो the visual सारा जो है ना वो lot was the repetition of the case and the court and all that language and everything that went into that court case or end pe conclusion ye tha we don't know who to trust. And I was like, kind of, that was the conclusion that people came out on their own when they were following the original case. So what's the nuanced value? So yeah, I watched it. You don't have to. It's okay. Moving on, another Netflix show that I recently finished is Kunk on Earth, if I'm pronouncing it right. Yes, Kunk on Earth. It's
Hmm.
basically British satire comedy. और वो भी थोड़ा सा ना it's a historical sort of a it's not like a fiction show, it's non-fiction. लेकिन वो interviews हैं, लेकिन it's a British satire type से आपको world history पूरी जो है ना transition kind of something that we are reading on Earth's Transform, but in a more lighter tone because the host जो के who is interviewing people is asking very stupid questions and very politically incorrect questions at time as well in the British comedy way. So that's like a good time pass thing. और क्या मैंने देखा है हाँ two shows that I've not very recently watched, like in comparatively recently, so worth mentioning. One of them I really liked. The other one I really don't get the hype of it. It was okay in the start, but I don't know why it's still so highly rated. The one I really liked is Shrinking. Apple TV, Apple का या HBO का show है and उसका भी सिर्फ first season ही आया है. Second season is still under works. It's basically a show around mental health, but done very nicely from very different angles. उसमें therapists हैं, so therapists having their own mental health issues, also helping their patients. So it's a very interesting mix. जो कि I think it's highly recommended. And anyone who has been Ted Lasso show, तो उसमें जो Brett Goldstein है, who is um, one of the actors in that show and also one of the writers, is also has written this show. I think part of the writing team really. So I've recently discovered this connection. So yeah, so that's worth checking out. And then there's another show that is, I think, an HBO show. That's Barry. उसका premise बड़ा interesting है. उसका premise ये है कि it's a serial killer who finds his passion in acting. So एक ex-marine, somebody going through mental health issues, वापस आके कोई और no other skill set, तो one of his father's friends takes him on board and he hires him as a serial killer and they're making a lot of money, but he's feeling dissatisfied, yada yada yada. एक point तक ठीक था, but I think that the seasons could have been shorter. The end could have happened earlier because वो बहुत ही ना repetitive और वो समझ नहीं आ रही थी. It was supposed to be, when I started it out, I thought कि थोड़ा सा lighter tone पे होगा show, which there is comic elements in it, but वो overall violence और वो बीच में कुछ चीजें ऐसी होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं that I watched it the entire thing, but I don't really get why it's so highly rated. It's highly rated. It
Hmm.
has awards and wo sara kuch, but again,
Hmm.
I don't understand. And in the spirit of saying that we will be recommending a show or a book with regards to the Palestinian stories, Netflix पे एक stand-up comedian है Mo Amir. He has some stand-up shows
Hmm.
as well on it, but he has done a fictionalized show which basically depicts his own and his family's story, and that is how he ended up becoming a U.S. citizen. वो सारा process of getting the paperwork, being moving around, the family moving around, being stateless, and वो सारा situation. So yeah, that's all I have been watching. What about you?
Right. Acha, so I actually started watching this French mockumentary, Fiasco. It's on Netflix. It's a very funny,
Ah,
sarcastic kind of, agar if you have watched What We Do in the Shadows, I don't
yes,
know
I
if you
have.
have. It's a mockumentary as well. It's very funny. So it's like, there's this guy who's like a nervous wreck, and he starts making a movie or a series, I think. And then when he starts the process, everything just starts falling apart. He's actually a nervous wreck. He thinks nobody does respect him, because he cannot even talk properly with people, and he's like, not assertive, nothing at all. And he's like, and he constantly thinks that somebody is sabotaging him, and somebody wants his film to fail. So this film is about his grandmother, and he wants it to be perfect. And the more he wants it to be perfect, the more the worse it is, basically. It turns out to be. So it's actually very funny. Acha, another thing, I have started watching Penny Dreadful. Rewatching. Like, I watched it once, in 2013 or 2014, I think. अब मैंने वो दोबारा से देखना शुरू किया. Like, it is so uske andar, you will find the likes of Dorian Gray and Frankenstein, or Con Hair, Dracula, etc. All of these, tales, all of these characters. It's gothic horror, and it's if you have liked watching Haunting of Bly Manor of Hill House, or Hill House, Haunting of Hill House, you will really like it. This show. Um, it was a
Is
very
it available on
underrated show when it
Netflix?
first. It's not available anywhere on OTT abhi to is waqt, but the thing is ke, it is amazing, amazing. Like, very deep, amazing dialogue. I loved everything about it when I first watched it, but now when I'm rewatching it, it's just bringing out a completely different meaning, and the characters that were involved in that show. Acha, and now, since we are talking about shows, there is one show that I specifically want to mention. And I think, we have to mention that show because everybody is talking about it right
Of
now,
course.
which is Bhansali's Hira Mandi. The thing is that I have a very unpopular opinion about it, as I was discussing it with you earlier. I think it is not a bad show. I mean, like, because the thing
No.
is, the there is no plot. No, no. There's no plot, no story whatsoever, nothing at all. But every frame is just so beautiful. कि वो बंदा क्या करे, वो देखना शुरू हो जाता है कि oh my god, this is just amazing. I mean, I did not like the story at all, but I binge watched it, like, and I think I finished the whole series in three days, which is actually a record for me. The thing is, the thing that I liked about, I was actually discussing this with my daughter as well, who actually wrote a paper on Bhansali's Padmavat, yeah, Padmavati, I don't know. There was this movie, Padmavat, I think. So she wrote a paper on that movie, and she's discussing it with me, and I mean, हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा ये भी डिस्कस किया कि when was Bhansali known for his historical accuracy? Like, even that movie is so far removed from history. It's just, there's nothing historical about it, nothing at all. Like, it's just, he has always been known for his grand sets and beauty and everything, and and the jewelry and the costumes and the beautiful, extravagant frames. So I think, very nice series on that वो. But the thing is, जो एक problem है वो ये हमें जो हुई है problem वो ये कि we know what Hira Mandi looks like. And it's like, ऐसे लग रहा होता है उसके अंदर, तो ऐसे लग रहा होता है कि भाई पूरा लाहौर is Hira Mandi. Like I was
Exactly
watching
so.
Sabahat Zakaria's I was watching Sabahat Zakaria's review, and there were 2 points that she discussed, and it was I mean जो I agree with those points के वो एक तो ये था कि अगर वो ऑल्ट फिक्शन के उसके ऊपर वो प्रमोट होती एंड नॉट हिस्टोरिकल फिक्शन, तो मे बी इट माइट हैव मेड मोर सेंस. और दूसरी चीज ये थी कि वो जो उसमें इनकलाब जिंदाबाद एंड एवरीथिंग, that was more 1857 and not 1947. Like, what was happening in 1947, इतना ज्यादा इनकलाब जिंदाबाद नहीं हो रहा था उसमें. It was a completely different Lahore at that time. So, yes, I mean, historical inaccuracy to by 100 by 100. It's like, it does not make sense. The whole point, the whole plot, it does not make sense. It's just that the series is just so beautiful that you are dragged into his world, and you want to watch it even when you know that it does not make sense whatsoever. So yes, but I was also thinking that maybe it's time that we started talking about or telling our own stories the way we want to, and the way, because we know our stories, because हमारा मसला यही हुआ था ना कि भाई ये क्या हीरा मंडी दिखा रहे हैं, like this is not even हीरा मंडी.
Yeah, so my take on this is I am one of those people who refuse to watch it. On one reason कि Bollywood and I have like जो हम offline भी discuss कर रहे थे, I have not watched Bollywood in a while, and that is because I have like their storytelling stopped connecting with me a while ago. So I was like, don't have that much time. गाने शानों का पता होता है कुछ, तो बीच में से वो भी अब गानों की क्वालिटी भी उनकी काफी गिर गई हुई है, but still, so I might know music, I don't know which movie that music is a part of. So yeah, one reason it was expected this will not have any remote connection to the actual historical, cultural, whatever the perspective of the actual Hira Mandi. Because memes are बड़े अच्छे आ रहे ना, and as you said कि वो अगर odd story section में होता, historical fiction ना होती, तो मानी जा सकती थी. And recently I was watching on Instagram, because I think ये काफी feedback आना शुरू हुआ है. There was a quote either by him directly or somebody associated with the film, I don't know, we never promised a history lesson. But my take on this is yes, artistic आपको अगर दे भी दें, leverage दे भी दें, but उसकी भी थोड़ी सी limitations होती है ना. अब जैसे बॉलीवुड, the reason I said in the start कि उस पे मुझे trust कोई नहीं था, कि बॉलीवुड की जितनी भी फिल्म के क्लिप्स आपको देखने को मिलते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे, और जहाँ पे हम लोग पाकिस्तानी / मुस्लिम्स रिप्रेजेंट हो रहे होते हैं, वो एक बड़ा स्टीरियोटिपिकल किस्म का प्रोपेगेंडिश रिप्रेजेंटेशन है. मतलब
The Adab and the Kajals. हाँ.
एग्जैक्टली, मतलब टॉप जर्नल से लेके फाइटर पायलट ने भी सस्ता तरीन काजल लगाया होगा आंखों में, कहीं वो
काजल लगाया होता है और टोपी भी पहनी हुई होती है.
जी 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 जी. और उसके बाद कोई रेलवे स्टेशन
पहनी होती है, घर में भी.
फॉर सम ऑड रीजन, मतलब कौन पहनता है टोपियां अब. एंड वो भी वो
like they're always wearing it.
और वो जो कायदे आजम टोपी जिसको हम कहते हैं, आई डोंट नो व्हाट द ओरिजिनल अदर नेम इज, कायदे आजम टोपी.
Who wears those topies anymore, like हाँ,
वो तो इतनी गर्म होती है कि वो बंदा
like in June, July. हाँ,
exactly. So we didn't really expect anything, and totally agree with, or मैंने basically a long time ago, जब I think book आई थी, a couple of months or years after it, I don't exactly remember. डॉक्टर फौजिया सईद ने एक नॉन फिक्शन किताब लिखी हुई है जिसका नाम है टैबू. वो जब आई थी तो I think I was either starting college या somewhere in between, वो school और college वाला. तो basically my mother bought it and read it. और फिर कुछ अरसे बाद when I think I had like started my undergrad, तो उससे फिर मुझे वो किताब इजाजत मिल गई थी उसको पढ़ने की. I was like, why couldn't anybody, हमारे यहाँ हर कुछ सालों बाद पाकिस्तानी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का रिवाइवल हो रहा होता है और फिर आपको इमोशनली ब्लैकमेल किया जा रहा होता है कि जाके आप फिल्में देखें और वो टीवी के लेंस पे बनी हुई फिल्म्स को आप सिनेमैटिक लैंडस्केप पे देखें और अप्रिशिएट करें बिकॉज यू नो रिवाइवल हो रहा है. तो why can't we pick our own stories and why don't we get out of वो सास बहू and वो तो again no harm in telling love stories, like nothing against them, but they're कुछ और भी explore कर लेना. There are other topics as well. My take would be कि
प्रॉब्लम
if
उसमें ये है
anybody
हाँ
anybody would just
नहीं नहीं
that what Dr. Fauzier Taboo is a non-fiction book. It's a proper sociology का research है उनका, where she not just interacted with it, spent a lot of time. उस मतलब अब exactly मुझे उसमें से sections तो नहीं याद because it was a long time ago when I read it. Like there's a पूरी एक वो sub culture है. Why couldn't anybody just fictionalize that? कि आप फिर आपको बैठ के वो इंस्टाग्राम पे ओरिजिनल पुराने उस जमाने की हीरा मंडी की जो खवातीन है उनकी तस्वीरें लगा के साथ जो कोई ग्रैंडोज डिपिक्शन है वो तस्वीरें मैच ना करनी पड़ती कि जी रियलिटी वर्सेस देयर विजन. So,
but you know, if we go towards that, it can actually get censored as well, because you know everything that is even a little bit different from the mainstream, or
Yes.
if it discusses points which are, points which are not discussed that openly. You know, the problem is that it always has this, it can get censored. Like कुछ भी censor हो जाता है जो कि, I mean, you know how it is with this country. So that is why I think filmmakers also want to just
won't take the risk. Which is sad, na? Which is sad. I don't. मैंने देखी नहीं है, but वही जो I think Z जो streaming platform है उन्होंने लिए थे कुछ एक दो shows लिए थे and they were apparently very popular. जिस टाइम पे फिर Z की subscription पाकिस्तान में भी I think कुछ टाइम के लिए खुली थी. I don't know if I'm remembering correctly. But again, this is a sad scenario, na? But then you can't blame anyone else of butchering your history. मतलब वो तो फिर अपनी लेंस से बताएंगे.
Exactly.
Same narrative जैसे जो हॉलीवुड का भी में यही नैरेटिव है ना कि दे हैव लाइक पम्प्ड एंड बिल्ट इन दिस नैरेटिव. उन्होंने एक डिपिक्ट किया है बड़ा टाइम और इन्वेस्टमेंट लगा के of depicting Middle Eastern and brown people in a very specific way. And uska, again, as we discussed in a previous episode as well, it's not innocent. Uske repercussions you are like seeing how, you know, desensitized aap kaise hue and you're fighting back to get your that you know. And it's not just in movies, in books as well, even historical books. जिसकी तरफ हम आते हैं when we discuss. So the book that we are reading, Earth Transformed, उसके opening में भी
the book that we have been reading.
Yes, and inshallah we'll be completing pretty soon. उसके start में भी if you remember उसके बिल्कुल introduction वाले section में he mentioned कि ना कि usually history has been written from a very specific angle and just not written for the people. लोगों की history उनके लिए नहीं लिखी थी. So उसकी भी एक दो interesting examples and that we'll discuss as we go forward. But yeah, again, I don't know how is the music of अभी तक कोई गाना बहुत मुझे famous होता हुआ नजर नहीं आया इस movie का. Are there any good songs in this or series?
I don't know actually. You know, I just forwarded the songs. I was like, you know, I was not really interested in the songs. I just wanted thoda sa dekha, but I wasn't really interested in the songs. So I just forwarded the songs and because I was just watching it for. I mean, the songs were also filmed very beautifully. I mean, you can tell that I actually liked the whatever. So I don't know. मुझे नहीं लगता कि इन गानों में से कोई भी जो है वो बहुत ज्यादा कोई हिट हो जाएगा. From this series, like Bhansali's, I mean, you can never say Exactly.
You can never say na. Speaking of music and speaking of storytelling and stereotyping, I think music, and again थोड़ा सा वही लगता है कि we are a little saying कि हमें सारा कुछ पता है, we don't have any flaws, but that's not the case. But music front पे भी also I feel we have a more global taste compared to a lot of other regions, or not regions. I won't, but a specific region, which is basically the Northern American side wala region. Because if you enter, abhi to I'm hoping it's improved a lot, but initially, like we grew up on our own music, on our own pop music, अपने local bands जो थे उन पे भी, but we also grew up on Backstreet Boys,
Oh yeah,
NSYNC,
exactly.
वो ठीक है. स्पाइस गर्ल्स अभी ये जब ये रीयूनियन हुआ था तो वो आई थिंक हम वी आल्सो आर side of people also went down memory lane, seeing
Yes,
all
exactly.
those all of them, repeating that choreography and everything.
Like,
So
boy bands were really big in the 90s. Take That जो है वो तो बहुत पहले वो उन्होंने कर लिया था, and then Backstreet Boys have been singing, and NSYNC and New Kids on the Block now. They were actually the OG boy band, New Kids on the Block. They were like huge in the 80s. And yeah, Backstreet Boys and Take That और ये सारे तो उसके बाद आना शुरू हुए थे. So they are back. बाकी म्यूजिक के अंदर व्हाट हैव यू बीन लिसनिंग टू वैसे बाय द वे टेल मी अबाउट व्हाट यू हैव बीन
it's honestly being a lot of mixed playlists basically. Naya
हम्म
music, hardly any, honestly speaking. पुरानी जो वो प्लेलिस्ट का मिक्स एक बना हुआ है ना वही चल रहा होता है, बिकॉज मोस्टली आई लिसन टू
हम्म
इट इफ आई एम लाइक ऑन माय वॉक और एट वर्क. बेसिकली व्हेन यू आर डूइंग राइटिंग कुछ कर रहे होते हो तो वो हेडफोन्स लगे होते हैं, तो उसमें वो एक स्टैंडर्ड प्लेलिस्ट है जिसमें मिक्स ऑफ अगेन ऑल ऑफ दीज नॉस्टैल्जिक म्यूजिक जिसमें स्ट्रिंग्स. रिसेंटली आई हैव बीन लिसनिंग टू स्ट्रिंग्स अ लॉट. इवन
ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स
यूट्यूब
एज
अगर
वेल
स्पॉटिफाई
यस 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 यस
नहीं भी चल रहा होता तो दे आर
हाँ
वन ऑफ दोज. एक जो बैंड जिसका लाइव कॉन्सर्ट रह गया था मेरा वो स्ट्रिंग्स था, एंड
हाँ
देन सैडली दे dismantled before I
I
could
have
check that
never
off. तो
attended a strings concert and I would love to वैसे honestly I mean like
yeah, वो
I've
same
never
नहीं. Have you
mm,
attended a Junoon concert?
yes
Where
I
था?
have yes
Yes, yes.
Canade
देखिए
के अंदर
वो ज्यादती
I think Canade के
वो
अंदर
ज्यादती
हाँ
हो
long
जानी
long
थी
long
उसको.
long long time back yes.
That's okay,
When
लेकिन जुनून का
Junoon, when
concert miss
Junoon was
करना.
not as Junoony as they have become now. Like, I don't know what has happened to
वो
them now.
वो वो अब वाले जुनूनी वो जरा डिफरेंट ट्रैक्शन की. वी आर नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट इट, बट जस्ट जो
Yes, that is,
जुनूनी जिस
exactly.
या वो दैट वाज. So a little bit of that, a little bit of covers. Adele recently इसके एक दो songs specifically, Rolling in the Deep वो है उस पे. So yeah, a lot of mix, nothing very very specific, because again not listening आजकल I'm not listening to music with a focus कि अच्छा वही ना वो जो चल टाइम में म्यूजिक सुनना है और finding new music, वो वाला सीन नहीं है. बस बैकग्राउंड नॉइज के तौर पे at work या when you're जिस वक्त कुछ बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक पे कुछ वो बैकग्राउंड नॉइज के तौर पे कोई शो नहीं लगा हुआ होता तो then that's where the music is. So yeah, that's what I'm listening. But again वही उस पे कि whether even if you consider that, there's a lot of mix. हमारा अपना लोकल मतलब हमने तो
हाँ
रिकी मार्टिन के उसको फ्रेंच के दो लफ्ज भी नहीं आते थे, लेकिन रिकी मार्टिन की प्लेलिस्ट की और एल्बम्स होती थी. आई बाय द वे स्टिल हैव माय कैसेट्स, तो सेलेक्ट कैसेट्स का जो है ना वो मिक्स टेप्स जो
I do.
बनती थी वो
हाँ,
अभी.
exactly.
प्लेयर मेरा खराब हो चुका हुआ है, लेकिन कैसेट्स अभी
I
भी
don't,
संभाल के रखी हुई मैंने.
मेरा भी हो गया है. I don't know where to get players from now. I don't, where do you get players
कोई नहीं
from? वैसे, can you
नहीं
now?
नहीं वो
या वो
नहीं,
ancient हो
यू
गए अब?
कैन. वो तो हो गए, लेकिन एंटीक चीजों की भी ना कुछ जगहों पे वैल्यू है, तो उसी सहारे मैंने अपनी संभाल के रखी हुई है कि कभी तो वो आ जाएगा.
कभी कुछ ना कुछ
So
हाँ.
so there's a lot of mix, but when you, for example, and again वही pop culture isn't innocent. जब ये boy bands और music और ये जब वो export हुआ था as part of the global village वाला, a lot of branding and इनके साथ associated थी, which we consumed. Even marketing में भी पढ़ाया जाता था कि there's a connect, और वो बड़े positive तरीके से.
Hmm.
So we sort of, I have like a through the shows, even मतलब पुराने shows, French Prince हो गया ये
हाँ.
सारा, so वो जो भी when you look at their talk shows या कहीं भी इन चीज का reference आता है, we have a little bit of more, and I won't say we have like a clear understanding of, obviously you can't, there are always nuances, like broader understanding. It's not an alien culture to us, unlike reverse the paddles, तो वो मैप पे भी
वो तो
आपको शायद
हम
ढूंढ नहीं सकते कि आप किधर हैं.
नहीं, they think
So
we're just
that,
aliens, we're living in caves, cavemen.
हाँ हाँ
We
हाँ
don't have any
हाँ
idea
हाँ.
what the
So
culture is all, what any culture is all about. Basically, we have no idea about any cultures,
वो
any,
that
we
is
can't
why
talk
वो
about
उनको I
anything.
think, हाँ, ज्यादा cultural shocks जो है ना, वो उनको I think इसी
उन्हें
इसी
लगते
phase पे
हैं
और इसी,
exactly. हमें जो है ना
which
वहां
is,
जाके आई डोंट थिंक we're as culturally shocked as I think they are, because I don't know what they're expecting. पता नहीं उन्हें क्या लग रहा होता है, I can't even say. Literally उन्हें लग रहा होता
हाँ.
है
So
हर जगह.
नहीं नहीं, exactly, they really don't, वो उनको अभी भी लगता है कि वो camel riding हो रही है, is like not
हाँ
the part of,
हाँ.
मतलब नहीं. So वो थोड़ा,
Are you
मतलब
talking about them,
again
the
my
people who
उस
actually
पे
move
थोड़ा सा
abroad,
take
Fatma?
है.
Okay, that is a completely different discussion, I think. But the people who move abroad, उनको थोड़ा time हो जाता है. They stop. They just remain stuck in the moment, or in the year that they made that, क्या कहते हैं, transition, or
वो तो
maybe I don't know.
expats, वो तो
Expats, like
expats का
they remain
overall ही
stuck
का,
in that, exactly, in that moment. और उसके बाद they think, oh अच्छा पाकिस्तान में ये भी होता है, पाकिस्तान में वो, yes, we have a lot of stuff and we know what is going on around the world, and maybe we have a better understanding because we are, I don't know, I mean मुझे तो बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है बात करना, because they think that we are actually living in caves now. it's just
वो
hilarious,
conditioning
honestly. हाँ.
होती है, conditioning भी होती है, I think, and a little bit of I think this is a standard वो SOP है for expats के the the time frame where they leave their homelands, तो वो stuck होता है, वो उनके लिए भी nostalgia. So you can give a
Exactly.
little
हाँ.
bit of leeway to them as long as उनके opinions about the politics and how the countries back home need to be run ज़्यादा over empowering ना हो, तो बाकी ठीक है, I
Yes,
can give them
exactly.
that
I
leverage.
mean, like वो बेचारे,
जो
उन्हें सब
दूसरे
पता है कि कैसे करना चाहिए,
जो
सब पता
दूसरा
है
वाला
उनको.
competitor ना, you might have experienced that as well traveling बाहर, या so हम भी
हाँ.
me and a mutual friend of ours, or when we were out for our fellowship US में, तो we like got to like visit multiple states ना, मतलब एक ही ट्रिप के अंदर काफी ज्यादा ट्रैवलिंग थी हमारी within US. तो हम एक मीटिंग में बैठे हुए थे there, and it's not कि हर कोई नहीं, there were people who were like well informed, उन्होंने they had like research, उन्होंने अच्छी की थी, so the conversations went really well. एक हम किसी टेक स्टार्टअप टाइप सेटअप में बैठे हुए थे where this खातून was having a conversation with us, and we were all Pakistani sitting, the delegation was सारा पाकिस्तानी का था, and उस पे we were talking about the advanced वो ये सोशल मीडिया, डिजिटल मीडिया के सारा कुछ, so she सारी वो कॉन्टेक्स्ट में कॉन्वर्सेशन हो रही है, and there was like one line that उसने कहा कि ये हम इस तरह ये कर रहे हैं, I don't know how it is in the Middle East region, and when she said this na, and we all had this same expression of blocking our expression कि मतलब, and none of us just go, I think it was later in the stage हमें भी थोड़ा सा diplomatically deal करना आ गया था, and we all went like, what did she just say? Middle
Middle East.
Pakistan? I was like,
Arab world. We are actually,
no
it's
longer
we live
have
in
the
Arab
energy
world.
don't have the energy to correct you कि we are not in the Middle East region, but अभी भी, and it's मतलब I'm talking about like इस चीज को I think काफी साल हो गए हैं, 20 like at least 10 years की मैं बात कर रही हूँ, but
हाँ.
I would think that this has changed, but no. Instagram या YouTube पे वो जो टाइम होता है where you're scrolling yourself to sleep वाली situation में,
हाँ
वहाँ
doom
पे
scrolling.
हाँ, वो YouTube shorts में वो videos नहीं आती, वो people are playing these games या वो asking questions for some prize and everything, इस तरह करके कि उन्होंने उसी तरह की सीरीज का एक पार्ट में ना, कोई I think उनकी भी कोई पॉडकास्ट ही है जिसमें दो बॉयज बैठे में गोरा boys sitting and asking each other, उनके वो clips चल रहे होते हैं, they're asking each other question, you know, top 10 language something इस तरह करके countries, and पता नहीं कौन से उसमें कोई region वाली country उसने बोली, जिसमें उस बंदे ने एक दूसरे वाले ने आंसर करते हुए, आई एम forgetting the exact question as well, वो मिडिल ईस्ट रीजन को उसने कहा, थिंक मिडिल ईस्ट रीजन, दैट गाय सेड पाकिस्तान, एंड द पर्सन reaffirmed कि yes, correct answer, and I was like, hold on, I need to go into the comments section, and I did, and yes, there were people who were like, Pakistan in the Middle East region, Allah ka wasta map kholo, but then there were some others as well, you know, cute people saying, for us, Pakistan will remain in the Middle East region. And I was like, yes, ये होता है privilege कि आप इस confidence से आए और इस confidence से कि जी reality जो मर्जी है, for us it's in Middle East, so it is in Middle East.
It's in
There
Middle
were
East because
actually
Arab
these-
world, huh?
जी Muslims, Arab
We're
world,
part of the Arab
all
world.
the
Muslims.
all
South
all the
Asia
political
does not
news.
belong. We do,
जी
exactly. So we are like, you know, Middle East. We're living in caves,
Yeah,
and it's just that.
इंडिया के हमसाए भी ठीक था यार, but it's like नहीं नहीं नहीं,
नहीं
for
भाई
us Pakistan
पाकिस्तान
will
तो
be in Middle East.
हाँ always it will be in Middle East. Say what you want to say. South Asia does not. You are in Middle East. Like, you know, I don't even understand this. Khair. Chalo, moving on. What should
Even in the advent of Google,
Yeah.
it's like stupid. Read a book. Speaking of which, what are you reading?
Bhai, I have been reading this very interesting book. It is by Andy Miller. So Andy Miller is an author and an editor, and he's very big on book Twitter, basically. So he's written a couple of books, and the book that I'm reading these days is A Year of Reading Dangerously. You know, when he approached his mid 30s, he just went into this reading slump. So he stopped reading, uh, and that is when, you know, he realized that in order to read properly and to get back to reading, he would have to take it strategically. So he made a list of some 50 books, I think, you know, yeah, I think 50 books. उसके अंदर जो है वो बेकेट की अननेमेबल है और चार्ल्स बकाउस्की की भी किताब है, and then Anna Karenina और Moby Dick. So he started reading those books और वो फिर अपने रीडिंग स्लम्प से निकल भी गया. अच्छा, एक पार्ट या एक पॉइंट आया when, you know, like Moby Dick, बहुत boring सी किताब, it's very tedious and everything. So he has this, you know, conversation with his wife about, you know, what do I do? I can't even, you know, I can't seem to make any progress with this book. And the wife then advises her, okay, you know, just start with 20 pages per day. So it's actually such a nice book now for anyone who's going through a reading slump. And I was thinking, acha, uske andar the best thing is that he's not just listing those books. He's basically talking about his own life and where those books have an effect, you know, on his life, and you know, and how they affect him as a person, and how they change him as a person. So उस context में भी वो जो है ना वो बात कर रहा होता है उसका. It's very interesting, and I think, you know, people should read it, definitely. उसके अलावा I did start The Earth Transformed, and I have read, I think, you know, 3 chapters. I don't know. Yeah, I have read 3 chapters, and I'm liking it very much. It's a big book. I have started reading it, and I think that I'm going to probably, you know, finish it as well if everything goes well. What about you?
Yeah, so you will finish it. I'm going to make it a point. So my take on it is for anyone who has been with us to this episode from our first session, uh, you started it with your book club. I said I was about to going to start, और उसके बाद में बीच में gap आ गया. So I talked about this last time as well. I had to like stop reading it in between because I was doing some hardcore reading for work as well. So now I have restarted it. So what you mentioned, जो strategy you mentioned ना for getting over the reading slump, ये मैंने भी एक दो दफा, not exactly like it, but I've also done something similar. So what happens with me is कि इस तरह जब कोई book होती है ना, I usually have no issues completing books, even when I find them a little difficult to go through. I power through. Matlab, I'm like I give myself a little, I don't know, कौन से वाला badge मुझे मिलेगा. I even went Clinton's unfortunate biography from cover to cover. किताब मेरी अपनी नहीं थी. I borrowed it from a friend. I don't have it in
I
my
am so
library.
glad you did not buy the book.
Yeah, like,
I'm very
of
glad.
course. Why
I'm
would
glad.
I? Why would I?
Have you read
But
Obama's biography, by the way?
I am
Obama's.
sad to say I have.
You have? Oh my God, Fatma.
I'm
But
sorry.
I'm sure it must be a good read. I'm sure it must be a good read, interesting read. What did he? I have not read it, by the way. I've not read any of these biographies
I
abhi tak. Yeah.
I read it जब आई थी when he was. I read I think the first one जब ये president बना था. There was a lot of hype around it. Like I'll tell you, I was an undergrad when he first ये became president. And इसकी जो winning speech है ना, मेरे marketing के professor ने हमें class में दिखाई थी.
Right.
And not just as a fan of Obama, but as a perspective of his public speaking skills, of how like strategically smart he is on that front. And matlab वही करके ही matlab he is जब if there is justice and if we get to see that kind of a world, he will be treated as a war criminal as well. But strategically speaking, I think अमेरिका को वो जिसको हम कहते हैं ना ट्रक की बत्ती के पीछे लगाया हुआ था, वो speaking skills ही थे. Because Fatma Bhutto in one of her, I think, speeches or talks somewhere said that Obama is only another version of George W. Bush with better diction. So for me, I agree with her.
Yeah.
That's the best explanation as far as political stance is concerned. But yeah, coming back to Earth Transform. So yeah, there also उसमें what happens. So I can power through books even जब थोड़ा सा कहीं Islam पाया हुआ होता है. But and मुझे usually Islams उस तरह आता है when I start something and I get distracted with either another book or something else और बीच में gap आ जाता है. वो ना आपका momentum basically टूट जाता है. So this happened with me when I first started Earth Transform, but I have now like that has been like put aside and I restarted it. And I am very proud to say I will be starting chapter 16 today. And by the time this podcast is published, I'll be done with the book. And I'm really enjoying it. When
Very
you also
nice.
pick up start wali pages, obviously it's mapping a historical map of the world's transformation. और उसमें ecological भी है, historical भी है, उसमें wars जो हुई, जितने जिस तरह regime change हुई. But what I can like without any quote unquote spoilers, what you will see is that as you read through the chapters, मैं तो like this is one of the few books जिसमें sticky notes भी लगे हुए हैं, underlining भी मैं कर रही हूँ चीजें.
Yeah, I actually think it's very important. This book,
when you're reading the passages, they struck you at times where like, okay, you are just living a modern version of the same thing that's already happened. So a recent article I wrote for the news on Sunday, I think you guys did a quick special report on environment and climate issues के topics पे. So वो उसके लिए I did an article. So I'm still like I think halfway through the book. So I did quote one of this learning from the book, quoting him as a closing for my article. So for anybody who thinks कि हम book को काफी confused कर रहे हैं, so the author has taken like this is, I'm just giving my perspective. I'm not giving an official summary of the book. Has taken a very balanced approach to the historical events, because अगर आप वैसे भी if you're interested in history या climate के perspective में किसी भी एक author को आप पढ़ोगे तो उसका बड़ा sort of you will feel कि एक tunnel vision सा होता है कि for example if one person is saying कि जी for example some AD या BC में जो migration हुई थी उसकी वजह से ही सारे मसले हुए, उसके बाद से ही ये वो आगे हुआ. He has taken an event and he has given all the angles. कि yes, because in those historical times जो natural phenomena या natural climate events हो रहे थे, yes, अभी जो हम कह रहे हैं there is a lot of human made impact in it, the sort of artificial greenhouse gases का जो लेवल ऑफ इन्फ्लक्स है. उस जमाने में नंबर ऑफ पीपल भी कम थे, पॉपुलेशन भी कम थी, तो वो सारा. बट if a specific very big historical event happened, it wasn't just because कि volcano फट गया. It
Hmm.
was because दो तीन चीजें simultaneously came together and resulted in something. And उसमें ज्यादा एक चीज क्या है कि who survived and who didn't, where people adapted themselves to the changing environment at a quicker pace, and where people had like more agility, even with empires. अब हम भी एक sort of former empire की reformation ही देख रहे हैं in our times. But empires भी, which empires जब उनका downfall आया है तो उनका जी जंग हो गई और empire खत्म हो गई. It's like that, it's not that easy. चाइना में देख लें जो पुरानी इनकी empires हैं, या pick any other prehistoric देख लें, हमारे इधर सब कॉन्टिनेंट में देख लें, ये सारे मसले आ रहे थे. The elite staying in a bubble, not trickling down the necessities. तो वो जो फिर उसकी वजह से जो सोसाइटी में एक इम्पैक्ट आता है, that then leads to downfalls of empires and nations. जिनका फिर आप जिनका किताबों में पढ़ रहे होते हैं कि वो एग्जिस्ट करती थी और ये वो. सो वो इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. बहुत सारे हिस्टोरिकल इंसिडेंट्स हैं जो आपने इन स्कूल कभी पढ़े होंगे या किसी और पर्सपेक्टिव में. यू नो ऑफ दोस, यू हैव हर्ड ऑफ दोस, बट यू हैव जस्ट हर्ड वन एस्पेक्ट of that. Even the religions की जो spread है, transformation है, वो सारे the consolidation of power in the religious groups, जो भी whatever religion पे आप देख लें उनकी क्यों कि जी temples बनने हैं, temples इतने वहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है. फिर there were places where even I think Christianity में भी, या Christianity या Jainism, sorry I'm mixing it up, कि वहाँ पे भी जब वो आए पावर में तो they were holding, उनकी they had the power to even disseminate land, वो सारा कुछ till जो है वो सारे करते थे for upwards, because एक ही वहाँ से power आनी है, वहाँ से आना है. And how natural disasters को translate किया जाता था कि God is punishing you because of X, Y, Z. तो आपने sacrifice. So very interesting mix. So a very different and interesting holistic take on historical events. So yeah, by the time this is out, I will be done with it, and I will continue to push you to.
And I'll probably be halfway through.
I think before we wrap up, and हमने guests, we will be having some guests from maybe next episode या उससे next episode से.
Next, hopefully next episode,
an activity that we wanted to do with the guests as well. I think it's only fair that we do it amongst ourselves before we do it with them. Is we have a few rapid fire questions that both of us need to answer. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start reading the questions. You can answer it and then I'll answer it. And I'm calling it rapid fire for lack of a better term, but you can. So, for example, it's a question, and if it's a one-line answer, you can always add a line or two explaining your answer if you want to. And saying both is also an acceptable answer. So you don't necessarily have to just pick
acceptable
one.
Exactly.
Ideally, you should, but if there are some questions, just we wrote these questions. When I went through them, so there were incidents where I was like, my answer is both, so I'm expecting it would be the same for some other people as well. So let's start.
Let's start. I'm ready.
Fiction or non-fiction?
Fiction, but recently I have been more inclined towards non-fiction.
For me, the answer is both, because I've always had a fiction and a non-fiction simultaneously. Start your day with non-fiction, end it with fiction wali scenario. Pop or rock music?
Rock all the way, but pop as well. Both, but rock, of course, it's. But yeah, what about you?
Music, honestly, it's mood dependent. I told you ना, French के दो लफ्ज नहीं आते थे उस जमाने में, but Ricky Martin की full beat पे full vibe के साथ सुनना था. So rock, both, But I think if I'm going आजकल में, तो that would be pop. आजकल what I'm listening to mostly, even from
हाँ.
my nostalgic list view, it's pop. वो vibe वही चल रहा है, वो mindset और vibe वही pop की चल रही है आज. Sorry
And
for
what about
digressing,
you?
but have you theater? Well, obviously these days practically we are, because of OTTs. I think most of us are watching movies at
Hmm.
home. But if it's like a preference, तो I miss the days जब आती थी, तो we used to like go specifically. वो एक,
हाँ.
it's an activity. It's a so I would still want to do that.
It's yeah.
And
हाँ. हाँ.
I know despite the OTT comfort, that is still something that I
It's
find,
very
because
comfortable,
वही वाली
exactly. And I like watching
it,
it on the laptop. हालांकि वो सबसे छोटी स्क्रीन होती है.
सबसे अच्छा नहीं वो, that's my least favorite thing to do. अच्छा जी, next question is attend a sports event or concert
Concert, Fatma. That's
live.
I don't even have to think about it. Concert. Yeah, always.
Uh, Except for football, concert. If
हाँ.
like if it's a choice between
अच्छा,
a
you
football
like
match and a
football?
concert,
हाँ.
yes.
Oh, that's
So that
amazing.
would
That's
be
something I
that would
never knew
be
about you. Yeah.
surprise. Uh, you clearly don't follow my Insta stories when I used to put a lot of them, but yeah, Hala Madrid. Uh, so yeah, if it's
हाँ.
like a if
अच्छा.
I have to like choose between ever getting to watch like a live football match versus a concert, I might be conflicted and pick depending on the artist or the game. But otherwise, yes, concert.
Hmm.
Comfort food or gourmet experience?
I
I
think a
think
little
it
bit of
makes sense
both.
for
Like it
you.
depends upon when I'm having that food. If I'm actually, I think both. A little bit of both. And what about you? What do you prefer?
Both can be an answer, but here I would go with comfort food because, like, uh,
Hmm.
whatever the scenario, if I have the option, ना ही घर से निकलना पड़े तो बेहतर.
अच्छा. Okay.
Uh, Preferred superpower: talk to animals or understand all the alternative meanings of emojis.
Talk to animals. That's a no-brainer. Talk to animals. I mean, that's a whole
Same.
world,
Yeah, yeah.
waiting to be discovered. So yeah, of course.
And just learn how stupid they think we are, the humans are. So
And I
yeah,
think they
talk to
do,
animals.
especially cats. I think dogs are in love with their owners, but cats, I think, they think we're all their slaves. Just, it's like amazing
Yes.
how they act around
They don't
humans.
think that that's the truth. That's the reality. That's the
Huh.
reality of it. So, um, and plus emojis, I think their meanings keep on changing with each generation. So
They keep
let's
on
not.
changing. Yeah, exactly. Like I use
Okay,
smiley all the time, and my children are like, Amma, please stop using smileys. Now it's very creepy. I'm like, what? When did it become creepy? Just stop.
smiling is creepy. Good luck to us.
Yeah, yeah.
Uh, what?
Smileys. Yeah.
What's your most used GIF?
I don't use GIFs a lot. Come to think of it, I really
Yeah,
don't. Oh
I
yeah, yeah, yeah.
compensate that for you.
Yes, yes, you do. I use one GIF, SpongeBob, जिसमें वो टेबल पे बैठा हुआ होता है, and tears are, it's like, yeah, yeah, it's like he's sitting on a table और वहां पे वो जो है सामने उसके कुछ रखा होता है, and he's like crying, I think, or he's very sad. I use that GIF a lot because I really love SpongeBob. So I think वो एक GIF है जो I use a lot in my conversations.
I use a lot of GIFs and वो again vary भी करते हैं times, but recently, not recently, but कुछ ज़्यादा अरसे से, all things everything's Hannah Waddingham. She is her facial expressions in all
अच्छा हाँ.
her shows and everything na. And basically if you just like even just you see her pictures na, वो meme worthy. Her expressions are amazing and meme worthy, and they are
Hmm.
well utilized in the GIF section. So all things everything Hannah Waddingham.
Hmm. Hmm.
If you could time travel, which era would you visit?
Future, I guess. I would like to travel to the
Really?
future, not the past.
That's
That's
too
yeah.
adventurous for my taste. I'll go back. I'll go in the famous
I
70s and
often
just
think
to
about it. Oh yeah, exactly.
check
Yeah, yeah.
check check out all the hype and मतलब सारा अच्छा टाइम हमारे बड़ों ने अपनी जवानी में गुजार लिया हमारा क्या कसूर था
Hmm.
but yeah 70s I would want to explore 70s interesting times second last question morning person or night owl given the time
As
that we are recording this but yeah
yeah, like I think morning person now. Lately, I think it's age का भी तकाजा है
time
थोड़ा सा कुछ. I think I
नहीं
have
नहीं
become a morning
ब,
person now with time.
बच्चों
हाँ,
ने स्कूल
I
जाना होता है सच
exactly
बोल रहे हैं
exactly. ये भी है बच्चों ने स्कूल सुबह उठना होता है so I sleep at around 10 I think at 10 by 10:30 I'm just done with everything.
For me, it's also like a morning person, exception a few days here and there, but yeah, generally a morning person. So
Yeah.
effectively, even if I'm like up at uh, कोई night out wale time pe, I'm not doing anything constructive, so I don't think I fall in that
Exactly.
category.
Huh.
Last question: tea or
Oh,
coffee?
there isn't more. Tea. I am a tea person.
For me, it's both. और वो दिन के
Hmm.
डेज पे डिवाइडेड होता है द फर्स्ट हाफ में कॉफी होती है और टी तो चाय की तो कोई लिमिट नहीं होती ना वो तो कभी भी पी
चाय की
जा
लिमिट नहीं
सकती है
होती I
वाह
think I
या
have like 6 to 8 cups of tea every day, which is like a lot.
क्या बात
But what can I do? Like,
या
there's nothing else to, that this is what I tell my mother, this
इट
is all that we drink.
इतनी
This is all
नहीं
that
आई
we
डोंट हैव
have.
पानी की रिप्लेसमेंट मेरे ख्याल से चाय से निकल रही है बट फॉर मी इट्स
Exactly.
नॉट लाइक it's not 6 to 7 cups of either but yeah I can have like 4 cups like 2 cup coffees and 2 चाय
Mm.
और वो मेरी चाय वो उसमें बगैर चीनी के एक्चुअल वाली कॉफी एंड चाय विद
Mm.
नो एवरीडे दूध एक्चुअल दूध वाली चाय इज कॉल्ड चाय वाला
Oh
definition
my
है so that
God.
is why most of the time
I,
I can't have chai at office because वो mostly it's everyday
हाँ,
चाय तो के साथ होती है that's a no brainer so चाय is घर वाला टाइम पे but office में coffee
हाँ.
so yeah
But
so
my
yeah
chai to is very unhealthy. Like, there's every day, there's chini in it, like shakkar in it, and every day, and 7 cups of that, you know. So, yeah, exactly,
we'll
all day
I
long.
think
That is
we'll
my
have
chai.
a separate conversation on this if you're
On chai
having
as
chai
well.
or if you're
Earth
having
transformed and
or you
chai.
if you yes. Well, I think that will be a good title of that episode. So I think it's a wrap. We are done for this
Yep.
episode. Hope we made some sense of something. In the next episode, hopefully we will be back with a guest. We will be
Yeah.
giving a teaser sometime closer to the date of the publication. But yeah, see you then.
See you then. Bye bye.